Picture windows are known for their expansive glass, clean lines, and ability to bring in abundant natural light. While they share these core benefits, the way picture windows are designed and used can vary depending on a home's architectural style. For homeowners in Rowlett, understanding how picture windows complement both modern and traditional home designs can help ensure the final result feels intentional, balanced, and visually appealing. What makes picture windows so versatile? Picture windows are fixed windows, meaning they do not open or close. This allows for uninterrupted glass and a clear view of the outdoors. In Rowlett homes, this simplicity makes picture windows incredibly versatile. They can be adapted to different architectural styles through size, placement, framing, and surrounding design elements. Picture windows in modern Rowlett homes. Modern homes often emphasize clean lines, open layouts, and strong connections to the outdoors. Picture windows fit naturally into this design approach. In modern Rowlett homes, picture windows are typically larger and more prominent. They are often placed in living rooms or open concept areas where natural light and views become central design features. Slim frames and minimal trim help maintain a sleek, uncluttered appearance. The goal in modern design is often to let the glass speak for itself. Picture windows help create bright, airy interiors that feel open and expansive without visual distractions. Enhancing modern interiors with light and space. Modern interiors rely heavily on natural light to define the space. Picture windows flood rooms with daylight, reducing shadows and creating a sense of flow. Rowlett homeowners with modern homes often appreciate how picture windows visually expand rooms, making them feel larger and more connected. Furniture layouts tend to be arranged around the window, reinforcing its role as a focal point. Picture windows in traditional Rowlett homes. Traditional homes focus on symmetry, proportion, and architectural detail. Picture windows can still work beautifully in these designs when thoughtfully sized and framed. In traditional Rowlett homes, picture windows are often paired with complementary window styles or decorative trim. Rather than dominating the facade, they blend into the overall structure while still bringing in generous light. Balanced proportions are key. Picture windows in traditional homes tend to be sized to match surrounding windows and architectural features, maintaining harmony and visual consistency. Preserving character while adding light. One concern traditional homeowners may have is preserving the home's character. Picture windows can achieve this by respecting the home's existing lines and details. In Rowlett homes with traditional architecture, picture windows often enhance interior spaces without altering the home's established style. Thoughtful placement allows rooms to feel brighter while retaining their classic appeal. Interior design differences between styles. Interior use of picture windows also differs by style. In modern homes, picture windows often anchor minimalist interiors, acting as the primary visual feature. In traditional Rowlett homes, picture windows may serve as a backdrop for furniture, decor, or seating areas. Curtains, trim, or surrounding elements help integrate the window into the room's design. Choosing the right size and placement, whether modern or traditional, size and placement are critical. Oversized windows may overwhelm a traditional facade, while undersized ones may feel out of place in a modern design. Rowlett homeowners benefit from choosing picture windows that align with their home's proportions and layout. The right size ensures the window enhances the design rather than competing with it. Blending function and style. While picture windows don't open, they still play a major role in comfort by improving light distribution and visual openness. In Rowlett homes of all styles, picture windows help make living spaces feel brighter, calmer, and more enjoyable without disrupting layout or flow. Making the right design choice. Picture windows are not limited to one architectural style. With thoughtful design, they can enhance both modern and traditional homes. For homeowners in Rowlett, the key is understanding how picture windows interact with the home's existing design. Whether creating a bold modern statement or a subtle traditional enhancement, Picture windows offer a timeless way to bring light, beauty, and balance into any home.